Hi guys, welcome to this video about what to do when you have dry hands. It usually happens in winter time when the air is really dry and you're washing your hands and then you get really dry hands. So what you do, of course, most people are using some kind of moisturizer, and yeah, usually you are not using a very greasy moisturizer, because if you're using a greasy one, then it will leave some nasty fingerprints everywhere, keyboard, smartphone, everything. So, and with this normal moisturizer, I had the impression when using it every time after washing my hands, and that's a lot, that's at least a dozen of time every day, maybe more. So I had the impression that it was not really working anymore. I had still some kind of dry hands, and I did some kind of research, and I have found people saying when you're using moisturizer too much, then it is not helping anymore. It is actually preventing the skin from doing its job, moisturizing itself. For example, I found this here. You can find this on a lot of pages. That's the blondshell.com. But usually when they are talking about these things, they are talking about like the face moisturizing, not so many times about hand moisturizing. But they say when you overdo, when you apply moisturizer after every contact with water, then you can really overdo and the skin stops moisturizing on its own. So you basically have two options as far as I can see. You can use a really greasy moisturizer, something like Vaseline, but again, that could have a really bad impact. I mean, you leave these really nasty fingerprints everywhere and you feel sticky. But I have found there could be another way, and that really works for me. And the thing is, I reduced the amount of moisturizer on my hands, so I'm just doing it once in the morning and maybe once at noon, once in the night, maybe about 3 times. But I have switched to a self-made glycerin and black soap made liquid soap. I've made another video about that, how to do that. I will put down the link to this other video into the description so you can try it out. I really can highly recommend that. It is a little bit of work, but I mean, it's not too much. I mean, depending on how much you use it, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Not even. It's more like 2 or 3 minutes if you know how to do it every 2 weeks or so. It's really not much, and it's not a dirty job. If you have a block of this black soap and a bottle of vegetable glycerin, and I really like it. I have the impression that with the black soap, that's not really drying at all, and also the vegetable glycerin helps to moisturize. So, and it still it does a good job on cleaning. I really like it. I mean, I will definitely stick with that solution. For me it helped, and I hope it will help to you, for you too. If you have any questions or comments or any better solutions or whatsoever, or your own experience, would be really helpful if you could leave a comment in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.